How to fix issues with Facebook Messenger not working properly. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix issues with Facebook Messenger not working properly. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix issues with Facebook Messenger not working properly, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook Messenger app. And if it's not working properly, there are a couple of things you want to make sure of it. The first thing you want to make sure is that you are logged in on the Facebook app and your account is working just fine. Then after that, long press the Messenger app icon here, then just tap the I button to come to the app info page. Then you simply want to go to storage, then clear the cache files and also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data of the Messenger app, what you want to do is simply go ahead and then open up your Play Store or your App Store. And in the search box, you simply want to go ahead and then basically type in Messenger here. Once you type in Messenger, check if the Messenger app has an update. And if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version, as in my case. And hopefully one of these may have helped solve the problem. And if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.